How to add admin on Messenger group chat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, first of all, open up the Messenger application and also make sure that you have the latest version of the application on your device. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Now after that, go to any of the group chat that you want to add admins. Now here I've selected this group chat. Now tap on the plus this eye icon over here, which is at the top right corner of the screen. As you tap on it, you can see the members. Tap on see members, and here you'll be able to see all the members. Now here you can see two options, that is all and admins. Now as you go into the admins, you can tap on add section and select any of the person that you want to add as the admin. So here I've selected and then tap on add. So now just go back and then you can see the admins over here. So all you have to do is just tap on their name and then you can see the option of invite as admin. Tap on invite as admin, and as a group admin, this particular person will be able to manage the group and remove members from the conversation, and they'll be able to remove other admins as well. So you just have to tap on add, and there you go, you have successfully added the admin in a Messenger group chat. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.